Hi everyone! So we finally made time to do a house tour because I have been receiving comments and messages asking for a tour. So okay, welcome to our temporary home. Now, this is my favorite view in the whole house, guys. You gotta see this. So the dining area looks right out to the pool and to the garden. So every time I am here, I feel like I am in LA or on a vacation in Miami. So it is very peaceful, it's bright, and it just feels luxurious. So I can seriously sit here like the whole day. So sometimes I am eating breakfast and the next thing I know, it's already dinner. True story, guys. I like working here. So this is the garden and the pool. The vibe here is just clean, minimalist, and modern. And I love how the outdoor space ties into the home. So you can see it from almost every room, which brings a real indoor-outdoor flow. So this is really perfect for relaxing, hosting, or just soaking the vacation feeling. So a week ago, I actually threw a party here for my birthday, and man, I think we were 70 pax. So the guests, my friends, were just here in the garden and some in the dining table. And of course, obviously, my salud banner is still there. So it was fun. The whole space felt like a European backyard. So we brought these hay chairs and lanai chairs over there from the other house, and I think they sit perfectly. And because of that party, I now have parasols. So these are new from my birthday. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Oh, there's actually a toilet and bath here outside. So if you are swimming, it's just easy to shower here. So here is the kitchen. It is very huge. So most of the appliances here is Meg. The range hood is Meg, the fridge is Meg, the oven is Meg. So the kitchen is very sleek and modern, but what I love most about this space is the storage. So there are built-in cabinets here, and I think I know it's designer, I'm not sure which one. But yeah, every single plate, glass, silverware, they have its own little home. So cute. This one is from my mother-in-law. Salt and pepper. I brought these home from Morocco for tea. And if you want butter, jams. And the counter island, this is super perfect. It's wide, it's spacious. So this is also the perfect counter when we prep to cook or when we are hosting. This is our buffet table. And this right here is the dirty kitchen. So actually, at first, I thought this was the main kitchen already. Like, look how modern and clean it is. The Toshiba fridge, my Toshiba fridge is already packed and ready to move to the other house. Yeah, so amazing. The dirty kitchen is very clean and well designed. So I'm just so happy that our staff and help has a nice and clean space for them. And let me show you quickly their toilet and bath. It has a rain shower. Guys, so medyo social siya. So I feel like they are on a vacation. And then, so it has a separate bathroom and toilet. Dark, are you doing the tour with me or what? Okay, let's move on to the styling studio. So before that, this is our space for all our golf bags, our sports area. There's missing one bag, golf bag, because Chino is out playing golf. Okay, so that's her golf and tennis stuff. Okay, so this is our styling studio. This is where we prep and pack for shoots, so it is nice having the space just for that creative chaos. So everything happens here before the camera sees it. So yeah, all the shoes, all the stuff that we pack. Of course, my Samsung Air dresser. I think this was the heaviest that we lifted from the other house. Like, took, I think, 5 people to carry the Samsung Air dresser. But this is such a lifesaver, guys. You gotta have one, especially if you have gowns or suits and stuff that you always do dry cleaning. This will really save you so much. Okay, let's go up.